Hello YouTube, thought we'd do a quick video on how to disable microphones in Windows. I'm doing this on Windows 8.1, but this applies to Windows 10. I'm going to assume probably the same way in Windows 11, but this is how you do it. You go to Control Panel, Hardware and Sound, hit Sound again, and then this will pop up. Now, as you can see here under Recordings, I'm using a USB headset, so that's why this is being, you can see this volume go up and down. Now, you can tell I disabled other ones here, and to disable it, you go to the particular one you want to disable, highlight it, right-click it, and then hit Enable or Disable. In this particular case, it's already disabled, so that's why it's saying enabled. Now, that's how you can do that. Now, also, while we're on this subject, if you hit Properties, if I go to this USB microphone that I'm using now to make this video, and I hit Properties, there are different levels I can adjust. Some of them may have a boost setting, some may not. But here's the microphone settings. Now, I know with Zello, there is a microphone setting under Zello, but sometimes there might be an extra setting in here too that you may need to adjust or play with. Let me go to the front panel. This is right here on my computer. This is the same computer I use for Zello and my repeater and mic in front panel. And if I hit Properties of that and I go to Levels, here you see the boost. So just to be aware of that, you might be able to adjust the boost to get more. If you're distorted, and no matter what you do with the volume, then you need to turn the boost down or even turn it off. So just to let you know that. And then also playback, obviously, there's one for playback. And you can do the same thing here. You can go ahead and right-click it and hit Disabled. If you don't want it, that's for playing back what you hear through your speakers. Obviously, is what they mean by playback. But for recording, it's going to be on this tab called Recording, and then you just select which one you want, and then go ahead and disable it, and then try it. Now, obviously, in this case, since I plugged in a headset to make this video, that's why this is, like I said before, this is active. But I do have my front panel ones, and this is the ones I use for Zello to when I hook up my two-way radio. So it may be listed differently on yours, but nevertheless, that's how you do that. And I think if on mine, which is disabled, this one here is my built-in microphone that's I'm using a laptop, and it's got a built-in webcam and a built-in microphone. Now, if I remember correctly on mine, this is the microphone for that. It's easy to find out because once you disable it, you won't see the green going up and down. So you'll know right away if you got the right one. But that's how you disable a microphone, whether it's a built-in one or even software. As you can see here, I disabled it. The software has its own microphone setting, and I disabled that too just to avoid any problems. So I hope this video is helpful. Like I said, just that's how you do it. I just checked on the Windows 10 machine. It's the same way. Control Panel, Hardware and Sound, and then Sound. I don't know about Windows 11. I'm going to assume it's the same way, but you get the idea how to do that. And it's real simple. Just remember how you disabled it so that you can go back and turn it back on in the future if you need to use the built-in microphone for whatever reason. But that's how you do that. So at any rate, if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below, and please subscribe and have a good day. Thank you.